What is up guys, I am Shakil from TechTube. Today in this video I am going to show you guys to enable or disable Windows Defender. If you find this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and press that like button. Let's get into the video.
Hello girls and boys, ready? Let's begin.
Go to the start and search for Windows PowerShell. It will look like this. Right click it and click on Run as Administrator. And this window will pop up. In the description down below, I'll leave this. You have to copy and paste it. To disable Windows Defender, you have to copy this and right click here, click on Edit, then click on Paste and hit Enter. Then you all can see Windows Defender is turned off. To enable it again, you have to copy this to enable Windows Defender. Copy this, right click here, go to Edit, then click on Paste and hit Enter. And you all can see Windows Defender is turned back on. If this video has helped you, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button.